Good afternoon, everyone. In our class, we delve into key concepts such as creative writing techniques and elements of poetry. First, we have creative writing techniques. It focuses on strategies like imagery and dialogue to craft compelling narratives and develop characters effectively. Second, elements of poetry, including rhyme scheme and meter, are essential for structuring poems and enhancing the rhythmic quality. So understanding these concepts allows us to create rich, engaging texts that captivate readers through both storytelling and poetic expression. So when I become a teacher, I plan to implement various strategies to help students express themselves and learn more effectively. I will encourage students to provide critical analysis or reflections on given topics, which will deepen their understanding and engagement. Additionally, I will incorporate activities designed to boost participation and interest in the subject matter. I believe that learning becomes more engaging when it goes beyond traditional discussions and involves practical applications of the subject. So, a major issue in English teaching in the Philippines is the lack of student proficiency, which stems from insufficient exposure to English in both academic and daily contexts. This problem is exacerbated by lack of engaging and practical learning resources and teaching methods that do not cater to students' diverse needs. To resolve this, schools should integrate more interactive and context-based activities into the curriculum, provide additional language practice through multimedia resources, and foster a language-rich environment both inside and outside the classroom. Encouraging students to use English in real-life situations and through various forms of media can also enhance their language skills and build confidence. Thank you.